Did you know Google is now listening to how fast you answer your phone and using that data to decide your local service ads ranking? That's right. Starting summer 2025, Google rolled out AI-driven call analysis and responsiveness scoring, and it's quietly reshaping the LSA landscape. I'm Ryan from Accelerate Marketing. As a Google partner agency, we get insider updates before most businesses. And in this video, I'll explain exactly what Google's new AI scoring means for you, why it matters, and how you can protect your ranking before it's too late. For years, LSA ranking was mostly about three things: budget, reviews, and proximity. Those things still matter, but now there's a fourth factor: responsiveness. Google's AI is analyzing your calls, how quickly you pick up, how often you miss calls, and whether you respond. If your responsiveness is slow, your ranking can drop, even if you're spending the same as your competitors. This is a huge shift because it means businesses can't just set and forget their ads anymore. Google is rewarding businesses that actually answer quickly because that creates a better customer experience, which leads to the obvious question: why does this matter so much for you right now? Think of it this way. Imagine two plumbers, both have the same budget and reviews. One picks up the phone within 20 seconds, the other misses 3 out of 10 calls. Who's Google going to promote? The fast responder every time. And here's the kicker: your ranking can slip without you even realizing why. You might think, I increased my budget, why aren't I showing up higher? When the real issue is that Google's AI has tagged you as slow to respond. That means if you don't fix responsiveness, you're at risk of losing visibility to competitors who do. So what's next? Where is Google taking this? Right now, this AI scoring only applies to calls, but it's clear where Google is headed. Soon, we expect responsiveness scores to apply to message leads and chat leads too. That means if you don't have systems in place to respond instantly, whether by phone, text, or chat, you could fall behind as these updates roll out. The businesses that win will be the ones that combine human response with AI agents that never miss a call or a message. That's exactly why we built our conversational AI agents, to make sure you're covered 24/7 no matter when the lead comes in.
Hi, this is Lily, an automated assistant from Jolla firm. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to talk to an attorney, please.
Before we proceed, are you calling about a DUI case?
Yeah,
Thank you for confirming. May I have your name, please?
my name is Jason.
Thank you, Jason. Could you please provide the best phone number for the attorney to reach you?
Yeah, that'd be 561-247-85.
Thank you, Jason. Just to confirm, is your phone number 561-247-85? Is that correct?
Yeah,
Great, thank you. This is my last question. When would you prefer the attorney to call you? Would you like a call as soon as possible, or is there a specific day or time that works best for you?
as soon as possible, please.
Thank you, Jason.
So the real lesson is this: Google is raising the bar. Responsiveness is no longer optional. It's the difference between ranking at the top or getting buried. If you want to protect your LSA rankings and boost your responsiveness, text the word audit to 619-304-5155. We'll give you a free audit of your Google local service ads and show you how our AI agents can make sure you never miss a lead again. Or head over to accelerateyourmarketing.com to learn more. Don't let Google's AI quietly push you down the rankings. Get ahead of this update now and turn it into a competitive advantage.